Hi, I'm Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, inexpensive winter cover for your pool steps. So you're going to have a finished product like this to cover steps like that. Okay, so the tools and materials you're going to need are some 2x3 wood, you're going to need tarpaulin, and these materials. You're going to need a drill, a small hammer, a scissor, some screws, galvanized roofing nails, and a pool rail, which you can buy at your pool supply place. Okay, so out of the 2x3 and using your screws, I made a frame that's going to fit my staircase, which happens to be 4 foot by 8 foot. Now, don't forget to put middle brackets in your frame for extra support. Otherwise, it's going to cave in with all the weight of the water. Okay, now I've taken my frame and laid it on top of the tarpaulin and cut it to be about 16 to 18 inches, a little longer and wider. Okay, so now I've folded over the two long edges of the tarpaulin and I've tacked it in with the galvanized roofing nails using a light finishing nailer. Now I've folded over the two final width edges and tacked that in also with my finishing hammer and galvanized nails. Now I've laid out my pool liner cover clip rail on top, and I've started screwing in the rail just using some number 8s with my screwdriver gun. Now I've already just laid it on top of my steps and I've clipped in the liner cover into the top rail, and now I'm going to fasten it with the normal clips that I use around the pool too.